Hi, my name is Vanis from Paramakudi. I have completed B.Tech IT from Kalasalingam University, 2025 pass out. Now I am studying Qtree Technology, AWS and DevOps course and in that. Now I explain my project. Go to project website. My project name is Turf Ground Booking. This is my project folder. In site folder inside HTML file and CSS file is there. Terraform project code main.df file to save my code. My project to run Terraform code, Terraform project. AWS using S3 and EC2 instance. Now I explain the project code. This is provider block. Next AWS resource block is this to give my S3 bucket name. This block is AWS configuration block. This block is AWS S3 bucket public access block. This resource block is public policy and website access policy to give the block. Next, this resource is AWS security group to define security group allowing inbound and outbound access for anywhere and allow the outbound traffic. This block. This block is easy to instance creating block to give all the instant instruction for easy to instance creating purpose. Next output block is the S3A URL and EC2 instance IP is output block to showing. Now run the block. Let's run the code. Go to git bash. Export. This is this is my folder to run the program to give Terraform init to initialization. Next Terraform plan to configuration file. Next Terraform apply. This is configuration file to deploy the resource. To creating S3 and EC2 instance. Now output is that I cannot use sync for EC2 instance public IP because Chrome firewall issue. Now I am using for S3 bucket URL to copy. Go to Chrome, give URL. This is my turf booking platform. This is main page to book any ground to click football. other game to click hockey, tennis. If you want any game to click that side and that side. Now to give mail ID, you did now. When you play that time to how many players do you go to play to enter? This is football rules you read and get verification you are playing game. Now you book this matter booking successfully. You got the mail and you enjoy the game. Return to home page. This is my platform project. Thank you.